How to make Okra Natto by Natto Kin. Hi, my name is Sachiaki Takamiya. I am the author of the Ikigai diet and Ikigai biohacking. Alright, so another natto recipe video. Right, so do you know okra? Okra these kind of vegetables. Yeah, apparently they are fruit, yeah, but they look like vegetables, yeah, right. It is a popular summer vegetable, yeah, and then okra is one of superfoods, yeah. It contains so much nutrient, and especially it is high in vitamin C and vitamin K, right. So it is a superfood mashup, yeah, because both natto and okra are superfood. You know, I've been talking about the health benefit of natto so many times in this video, but if you want to know more in detail of the natto's health benefit, please watch another video called 5 health benefits that makes natto the king of superfoods. Right, and now I'll just tell you today that natto contain a natto germ or natto bacteria called Natto Kin. Yeah, kin means bacteria in Japanese. In fact, the name Natto Kin comes from Natto Kin. Yeah, and Natto Kin's official name is Bacillus subtilis. Yeah, this is a very powerful bacteria, and it helps your gut microbiome tremendously. Yeah, in fact, natto was chosen to be the #1 food in the 10 top healthiest food in Japan. That means natto is the best of the best, right? Okay, so today I'll share with you how to make a natto dish using okra. Okay, so first of all, you need to steam okra. Yeah, well, you kind of need this sliced okra. So you first slice okra, yeah, and then you steam it. So I'll just turn the gas on, yeah, right, and then you also need, you know, natto, and then a little bit of vinegar, and then some olive oil, yeah, and then soy sauce, right. Alright, so when the water is boiled, oops, yeah, when the water is boiled, you put okra into a strainer, yeah, okra into a strainer like this, and then you steam it just for a minute or so. Just maybe a minute is okay. Alright, so it looks ready. Yeah, then you can turn the gas off, and then you take the strainer to the kitchen to rinse it with cold water. So you rinse it with cold water like that. Alright, so after rinsing the okra, you put it into a bowl. Right, and then you mix them with natto. I usually use a homemade natto, but if you don't have one, you can use a regular packaged natto too. In that case, you use 1 pack of natto. Yeah, you add some natto. and you mix them well. You mix the natto and okra well, and then so both okra and natto are slimy, yeah. So this is a very good match because of that, yeah. So they're both superfood, but also they are both slimy food, so it's a great match. If you love the sliminess, and it's brilliant. I mean, in fact, a lot of people find natto difficult because it is slimy, but once you get used to the taste, you are actually hooked with the sliminess, and you get to like the sliminess of natto. So if you eat okra natto, you can enjoy that slimy taste very much. Okay, and then so then you add some other spice. So a little bit of vinegar. And then a little bit of olive oil. And then a little bit of soy sauce. And then you mix them together. You mix them well, right? So I mean, it's really up to you. I mean, you don't need to put olive oil if you don't like it, or even vinegar. I mean, just like you can just put soy sauce. I mean, natto, okra, soy sauce, and that's fine too. But if you like, you can put vinegar or olive oil, or even you can put katsuobushi bonito flakes. Yeah, and that actually makes the taste very. Actually, the bonito flakes make the taste much better, and it is very popular way of eating okra natto in Japan. But if you're vegan, then you don't need to. Yeah, or you can even put some mayonnaise. That's also a popular way of eating. Yeah. Or you can even sprinkle nori on top too. Yeah, okay. So that's it. Yeah, that's okra natto. Okay, so that's it. Yeah, thank you for watching today. Again, my name is Sachiaki Takamiya. I am the author of the Ikigai diet and Ikigai biohacking. If you want to know the optimal way to activate autophagy and feed your diverse gut microbiome, please read the Ikigai diet. And if you want to know a method to naturally biohack yourself, please read Ikigai biohacking. And if you like this video, please give me your thumb up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Live with your Ikigai!